Welcome guys, this is Theclastyle Sharon to Spring Easter Tablescape Sunday 2020, and this is my second time participating, and this is hosted by Cynthia. She's so blessed. And guys, stick around while I jump on board with these lovely ladies to see what's going on. Her co-host is Mysterious Alberto, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Diva Decorating, and me myself and DIYing it. So guys, I'm just cleaning out my table, giving it a polish before I get into it. Now, I decided to jump on board again because I like doing these little things, and this is a lace runner that I cut out from an end of a curtain, and I like incorporating it. And these are some existing flowers that I had, so I'm going to use them in this decor. I'm picking out some of the roses and so on. I don't have any colors in these, so I'm deciding this existing one, I'm just going to remove the peonies. They are a purplish tone, and replace them with some of these, which I will be spray painting in the color pink. These are my choices. This lovely rose, and I know it's going to take the spray paint lovely. So I'm just taking all the peonies, the existing peonies that I have. I'm leaving the other colors because I want to incorporate those also. And this is my spray paint. It's a baby pink, and I'm going to take it outside and get it sprayed. Now guys, I'm outside and look at how lovely they turned out. I love spray painting flowers and using even paint to transform the colors. Now I'm just laying out my settings here, and my setting is for two because it's just myself and my husband. And I have some candles, and I have my lovely pink flowers that had been drying, and these lovely DIY candle holders that I made previously. So I'm just inserting my lovely rose. It turned out so gorgeous, guys. I'm loving this, and incorporating the rest into it. Now this is how it's looking, and I think it turned out so cute. And this is my pink shade for my Easter spring table setting. So I'm just setting everything up, putting my candle holders on the sides, lighting up my candles, and just inserting all the candles into the vases. And I'm using paper doilies. I love to use paper doilies, and I'm using a fabric napkin. It's white, and my plates, my serving plates, and a glass plate on top for my fresh salad. Now guys, I DIY this bottle. This is, I have to upload soon, and I'm just using an ice bucket to, depict a champagne setting, and I think it looks so sparkly, and nice little gold touch on the top. And I'm reusing my pink paper doily that I spray painted, and it turned out so lovely. And just setting up my wine glasses and my water goblets. I love this cozy setting, and especially light colors. I'm using this napkin ring holder. I have this nice sticky ribbon, and of course I painted it. What I was just thinking is just to add it for this deeper shade of pink to come on, because everything so far is just a light shade. So I'll just do it to the ends, and it looks pretty. So I decided to just place my napkins through, and look how lovely it looks. And this is how it turned out. Did these shorter pieces of florals in a box on the sides to fill out the space on the side, because it's just two settings I have here. So guys, I'd love to thank the divas for having this Tablescape Sunday every other Sunday. They are doing such fine work. I did add some roses around the champagne bottle and also on the napkin holder. So guys, hope to see you soon. Like and subscribe. Check out the guys, and I will see you quite soon. Bye, guys. Thanks for stopping by.